Today's the 7th annual Cymraeg Tourism Summit that we at the Cymraeg Tourism Association have organised.
Those of you who've been before, I'm sure you can see this is the biggest yet in terms of number of exhibitors and also number of people coming along as well. So
we start the day with an exhibition that will be held throughout the morning with some 60 exhibitors there with the suppliers, marketplace and business support organisations. Also during the morning we have some optional workshops.
Have this confidence when you wake up on a Friday or Saturday that you haven't double booked it, and I think for us that's absolutely paramount.
We have some demonstrations by some of the exhibitors as well.
We're the Wickedly Welsh Chocolate Company. We're a reasonably new business. So what you want to do in your home kitchen is not take it out of its tempered state. So how you warm it up is very important.
Following that we'll be having a tasty local produce lunch. The afternoon session will be dedicated to presentations from our guest speakers.
But it's important that we have a strong organisation to help drive that agenda upwards.
We need new content, new things to say all the time that really spell out the fact that Wales is a quality and leading destination.
The guest speakers, obviously which I was one, but I thought that they were very diverse, and to be able to share our experiences and if we can help other tourism operators to improve their offering, then in turn it only improves what Pembrokeshire, Carmarthenshire and Wales has to offer, so it's great.
Had a fantastic day down here. It's a little bit different to what I'm used to up in North Wales. A lot more accommodation, quality accommodation, a quality food offering, all in the Park of Scarlets. Sunny day, couldn't have been better.
Really sets us apart in terms of what we've got to offer the tourists, proving that West is best. West Wales is the place to come and visit.